Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly evolving field that aims to create intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. At its core, AI involves the development of algorithms that enable machines to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. One of the key components of AI is machine learning, a subset of AI that focuses on developing algorithms that allow machines to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data. Machine learning algorithms can be broadly categorized into supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, while unsupervised learning involves finding patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning, on the other hand, involves training a model to make sequential decisions by rewarding or penalizing its actions. One interesting fact about AI is that it has been around for decades, with the term artificial intelligence first coined in 1956 at a conference at Dartmouth College. However, recent advancements in computing power, data availability, and algorithm development have propelled AI into the mainstream, leading to significant breakthroughs in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and autonomous vehicles. AI has also found applications in various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. For example, AI-powered chatbots are being used in customer service to provide instant support to users, while AI algorithms are being used in healthcare to analyze medical images and assist in diagnosing diseases. Despite its potential benefits, AI also poses several challenges, including concerns about job displacement, bias in algorithms, and ethical implications of autonomous systems. As AI continues to advance, it is crucial for researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders to address these challenges and ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. Looking ahead, the future of AI holds immense promise, with ongoing research in areas such as explainable AI, AI ethics, and AI safety. By harnessing the power of AI and machine learning, we have the opportunity to revolutionize industries, improve decision-making processes, and enhance the quality of life for people around the world. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on developing algorithms and models that enable machines to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. One of the key concepts in machine learning is the idea of training a model on a dataset to learn patterns and relationships within the data. This process involves feeding the model input data along with the corresponding output labels, allowing the model to adjust its internal parameters to minimize the error between its predictions and the actual outputs. There are several types of machine learning algorithms, with supervised learning being one of the most common approaches. In supervised learning, the model is trained on labeled data, where each data point is associated with a target output. The goal is for the model to learn a mapping from input features to output labels, enabling it to make predictions on new unseen data. Another type of machine learning is unsupervised learning, where the model is trained on unlabeled data and tasked with finding patterns or structures within the data. Unsupervised learning algorithms are often used for tasks such as clustering, dimensionality reduction, and anomaly detection. Reinforcement learning is another important paradigm in machine learning, where an agent learns to make sequential decisions by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties based on its actions. One interesting fact about machine learning is its wide range of applications across various domains, including healthcare, finance, marketing, and robotics. For example, machine learning algorithms are used in healthcare to analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and personalize treatment plans. In finance, machine learning is employed for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. Machine learning models are also used in recommendation systems, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. As machine learning continues to advance, researchers are exploring new techniques such as deep learning, which involves training neural networks with multiple layers to learn complex patterns in data. Deep learning has achieved remarkable success in tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language understanding. With ongoing research and innovation in the field of machine learning, we can expect to see even more exciting developments and applications in the future. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, have found a wide range of applications across various industries, revolutionizing processes and driving innovation. One of the key areas where AI and ML have made a significant impact is healthcare. In healthcare, AI-powered systems are being used for medical imaging analysis, disease diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. For example, machine learning algorithms have been developed to analyze medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, assisting radiologists in detecting abnormalities and making accurate diagnoses. AI is also being used to predict patient outcomes, identify high-risk individuals, and recommend personalized treatment options based on individual patient data. Another interesting application of AI in healthcare is the use of natural language processing, NLP, to extract valuable insights from electronic health records, EHRs, and clinical notes, enabling healthcare providers to make more informed decisions and improve patient care. In addition to healthcare, AI and ML are transforming the finance industry. Financial institutions are leveraging AI algorithms for fraud detection, risk assessment, algorithmic trading, and customer service. Machine learning models can analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time, detecting fraudulent activities and anomalies with high accuracy. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are also being used to provide personalized financial advice, streamline customer interactions, and enhance user experience. Moreover, AI is playing a crucial role in marketing and advertising. Companies are using machine learning algorithms to analyze customer behavior, segment audiences, and deliver targeted advertisements. Recommendation systems powered by AI can predict user preferences, suggest relevant products or services, and enhance customer engagement. AI-driven marketing campaigns have shown to be more effective in reaching the right audience at the right time, leading to increased conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Another fascinating application of AI and ML is in autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars rely on AI algorithms to perceive their surroundings, make real-time decisions, and navigate complex environments safely. Machine learning models process data from sensors such as cameras, LiDAR, and radar to detect objects, predict trajectories, and avoid collisions. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to revolutionize transportation, making roads safer, reducing traffic congestion, and providing mobility solutions for people with disabilities. These are just a few examples of the diverse applications of AI and ML across industries. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of AI and ML in areas such as agriculture, manufacturing, energy, and environmental conservation. The possibilities are endless, and the impact of AI and ML on society is profound and far-reaching. Challenges in AI and ML are multifaceted, ranging from technical hurdles to ethical considerations. One major challenge is the lack of interpretability in AI models, particularly in deep learning algorithms. These models, often referred to as black boxes, make it difficult to understand how they arrive at their decisions, raising concerns about transparency and accountability. Another challenge is bias in AI systems, where algorithms may reflect and perpetuate societal biases present in the training data. Addressing bias in AI requires careful data curation, algorithmic fairness, and ongoing monitoring. Additionally, the rapid pace of technological advancement in AI and ML poses challenges in keeping up with evolving best practices and standards. Researchers and practitioners must stay informed about the latest developments and continuously update their skills to remain competitive in the field. Data privacy and security are also significant challenges in AI and ML, as the collection and analysis of vast amounts of data raise concerns about data breaches and misuse. Ensuring the privacy and security of sensitive information is crucial for building trust in AI systems and maintaining ethical standards. Moreover, the ethical implications of AI, such as job displacement, autonomous decision-making, and societal impact, require careful consideration and proactive measures to mitigate potential risks. Despite these challenges, the opportunities and benefits of AI and ML are vast, and by addressing these challenges thoughtfully and collaboratively, we can harness the full potential of these technologies for the betterment of society. Ethical considerations play a crucial role in the development and deployment of artificial intelligence, AI, technologies. One key ethical concern is the potential for AI systems to perpetuate biases present in the training data, leading to discriminatory outcomes. For example, facial recognition algorithms have been shown to exhibit higher error rates for individuals with darker skin tones, highlighting the importance of addressing bias in AI. Another ethical consideration is the impact of AI on job displacement and the future of work. As AI technologies automate tasks traditionally performed by humans, there is a risk of widespread job loss and economic disruption. It is essential to explore strategies for upskilling and reskilling the workforce to adapt to the changing labor market. Additionally, the issue of AI accountability and transparency raises questions about who is responsible for the decisions made by AI systems. As AI becomes more autonomous and makes decisions with minimal human intervention, establishing clear lines of accountability and mechanisms for oversight is critical. Furthermore, the ethical implications of AI in areas such as healthcare, criminal justice, and surveillance require careful consideration to ensure that AI technologies are used responsibly and ethically. Despite these challenges, there are ongoing efforts to develop ethical frameworks, guidelines, and regulations to guide the ethical development and deployment of AI. By addressing these ethical considerations proactively, we can build AI systems that are fair, transparent, and aligned with societal values. The current state of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, is characterized by rapid advancements, widespread adoption, and ongoing research in various domains. In recent years, AI technologies have made significant strides in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and reinforcement learning. One of the most notable developments in AI is the rise of deep learning, a subfield of ML that uses neural networks with multiple layers to learn complex patterns in data. Deep learning has achieved remarkable success in tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, and autonomous driving. Another key trend in AI is the democratization of AI tools and resources, making it more accessible to researchers, developers, and businesses. Open-source libraries such as TensorFlow and PyTorch have enabled individuals and organizations to build and deploy AI models with ease. The integration of AI into everyday applications and services is also a defining feature of the current AI landscape. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant leverage AI algorithms to understand and respond to user queries, while recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix and Amazon use ML to personalize content recommendations. In healthcare, AI-powered systems are being used for medical imaging analysis, disease diagnosis, and drug discovery, improving patient outcomes and streamlining healthcare processes. Despite the progress made in AI and ML, there are still challenges to overcome. One challenge is the need for more robust and explainable AI models to enhance transparency and trust in AI systems. Researchers are exploring techniques such as explainable AI and interpretable ML to make AI algorithms more understandable and accountable. Another challenge is the ethical implications of AI, including bias in algorithms, data privacy concerns, and societal impact. Addressing these ethical considerations is essential to ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. Looking ahead, the future of AI and ML holds immense promise, with ongoing research in areas such as AI ethics, AI safety, and AI explainability. By addressing current challenges and leveraging the potential of AI technologies, we can unlock new opportunities for innovation and societal impact. The future of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, is poised for exciting developments and innovations. One key trend in AI is the continued advancement of deep learning techniques, which have shown remarkable success in tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous driving. Researchers are exploring ways to make deep learning models more efficient, scalable, and interpretable to address current limitations. Another emerging trend is the convergence of AI with other technologies such as Internet of Things, IoT, blockchain, and augmented reality, AR. This integration of AI with other cutting-edge technologies is expected to drive new applications and use cases across industries. Additionally, the rise of edge computing, which involves processing data closer to the source rather than in centralized data centers, is set to revolutionize AI deployment in resource-constrained environments. Edge AI enables real-time decision-making, reduces latency, and enhances privacy and security. Furthermore, the field of AI ethics is gaining prominence, with a growing emphasis on developing ethical AI frameworks, guidelines, and regulations. Ensuring that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly is crucial for building trust and fostering societal acceptance. As AI and ML continue to evolve, interdisciplinary collaboration, research in AI safety, and efforts to address bias and fairness in algorithms will be key focus areas. The future of AI and ML holds immense potential to transform industries, drive innovation, and improve the quality of life for people around the world. During the Q&A session, you will have the opportunity to ask questions about artificial intelligence and machine learning, their applications, challenges, and future trends. Feel free to inquire about specific algorithms, use cases, or ethical considerations in AI. Interesting facts to consider include the first AI term coined in 1956, the rise of deep learning and image recognition, and the integration of AI with IoT and edge computing. Explore topics such as bias in algorithms, AI ethics, and the impact of AI on the future of work. Engage in discussions about the potential of AI to revolutionize industries and improve decision-making processes. Your questions are essential for a deeper understanding of AI and ML and their implications for society.